Ito yung lessons na didiscuss ko sa'yo para pag pinabasa kita, alam at naintindihan mo. Ito yung you will summarize a narrative text based on the elements. Basahin mo.
Character, settings, plot, and theme.
Yan, very good. Next, what is?
What is summary?
So, summarizing
Summarizing is
an important skill in writing. It
It
enables
enables you to
extract
the most important point from a text and remind
them and rewrite them in your
in your
own
own words in the short
short form. Yun. Ibig sabihin ng summarizing, ito yung papaighin mo yung mga kwento na babasahin ko sa'yo. Ibig sabihin, ito mo na pagsasama-samahin yung mga characters, settings, plot, and theme. So, dito mo na mabubuo yung mga idea na babasahin ko sa'yo na stories. Hindi mo, yun yung summary. Very good.
One sunny morning,
Lily
Lily
and
the bunny happened
hop
half out of her
borrow.
burrow excited
Excited
to
To
play
play.
inside.
Outside.
Outside
She put
she put on her
favorite
favorite
red hot.
the one
Favorite red hot.
the one
With the one with a blue flower on it.
one with a blue flower in it
On it.
on it.
I'll wear this all day.
And where is holiday? She
She said happily.
happily is she
Skip as she skipped towards the meadow
toward the meadow.
to pick flowers and chase butterflies. Lily played with her friends. Lily played with her friends Max, the squirrel. The squirrel, ayun yung bunny. Yun yung name niya, Max the squirrel. And Bella the bird. So yung the squirrel, siya si Max. Tapos si Bella yung bird. Go. They laughed and ran. They laughed and ran and flew around the tall grass. But when Lily sat down to rest, she realized. But when Lily sat down to rest, she realized something was missing. Her red hat.
Red hot.
Oh no.
Oh no, she cried.
She cried.
I
I must have lost it while we were playing. Ulitin pa, no? While we were playing.
Max and Bella.
Di, eto muna, mabago ka dyan. Bago ka mag-proceed sa next sentence, sabihin mo ito. I must have lost it while we were playing. Max and Bella, again, read.
I must have lost it while we were playing Max.
Di, eto muna nga, stop kapag may quotation na ganyan. Oh.
I must have lost it
While
we were playing.
Max and Bella quickly offered to help.
Max and Bella
Quickly
offered
offered
to
to help. Let's retrace your steps. Max said, they searched near the pond, under the trees. It's Max. Ngayon, area.
The little ant always go
Got up
out of window early to collect and store plant
rings.
things for the winter. However,
However,
how whether the grasshopper spent
the grasshopper spent
its time flying and jumping in the
area.
area.
Ano ito?
The little ant
Advice
advised it many times to collect its food before the difficult winter, but the grasshopper
didn't
care and spent its time playing the difficult winter game in the grasshopper.
Alam mo kung ano yung grasshopper? Tipaklong. Yung tipaklong yung grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
The difficult winter came and the grasshopper didn't find enough food to eat. So sabi dito, a little ant and a grasshopper. Yung langgam at yung tipaklong. Yung ant is yung langgam. Yung grasshopper yung tipaklong. Live together. Ibig sabihin, magkasama silang namumuhay. Namumuhay together, magkasama. In a rocky green area. Saan daw sila namumuhay?
In a rocky
Green area. Tama. Yung the little ant always got up early. Sabi dito, yung langgam daw, lagi daw siyang gumigising ng maaga. To collect, para magtipon. To collect and store grains for the winter. So nagpe-prepare siya. Kasi kapag umulan, yung mga langgam wala silang pagkain na nakatabi. So nagko-collect siya ng mga pagkain para meron siyang ipon ng mga pagkain sa tag-ulan kung dumating yung winter. Ibig sabihin yung bagyo or yung snow. Ganun. However, the grasshopper spent its time flying and jumping. So, habang yung ano daw, however, habang daw yung grasshopper, hindi pa pakulong. Habang daw yung grasshopper, inuubos na lang yung oras niya sa paglilaro, sa paglilipad at pagtalon. Sabi, the grasshopper spent its time flying and jumping. Ibig sabihin, yung grasshopper daw, inuubos niya lang, sinasayang niya lang yung oras niya sa paglipad at sa pagtalon in the area. Ibig sabihin, in the area sa lugar. In the area. So, the little ant advised it. Ngayon, sinabihan siya ng langgam. In-advise siya. Sabi, the little ant advised it many times to collect its food before the difficult winter. So, sabi dito, the little ant advised, sinabihan na siya ng maraming beses, many times, to collect na mag-ipon ng pagkain, its food, to collect its food before the difficult winter. So, para mag-ipon siya ng pagkain bago dumating yung sakuna, ibig sabihin yung bagyo. Yung mahirap na panahon, yung difficult daw. But the grasshopper didn't care. Pero yung grasshopper, pero yung grasshopper, wala siyang pakialam, didn't care. Wala siyang pakialam, didn't care, and spent its time playing. So, iubos na lang yung oras niya sa paglalaro. Tapos, the difficult winter came. Ngayon, dumating na yung bagyo. Dumating na. The grasshopper didn't find enough food to eat. So, yung grasshopper, wala siyang enough na stocks na pagkain. So, wala siyang naipon na pagkain. Nagutom siya sa araw ng tagulan. Habang yung ant, yung langgam, meron siyang stock, meron siyang pagkain habang may tagulan o bagyo. So, ano yung moral lesson? Ibig sabihin, ano yung matututunan, ano yung magiging lesson mo sa story na to? Dapat, ano yung magiging lesson, ano yung matututunan mo? Dapat mag-iipon na pagkain at makikinig ka sa sinasabi ng iba para sa ikabubuti mo. Ibig sabihin, pag sinabihan ka na pumasok ka sa school pero ayaw mo pumasok, mangyayari sa'yo, babagsak ka, uulit ka ng grade 1. Kung nakinig ka sa teacher hours, kung nakinig ka sa classmate mo na pumasok ka sa school, hindi ka babagsak, hindi ka uulit. Makakapasa ka, grade 2 ka na sa susunod kung grade 1 ka ngayon. While grade 4 ka ngayon, hindi ka pumapasok, ano sinabihan ka ng classmates mo, Miguel, kailangan mo na pumasok, marami ka nang hindi na nasagutan sa mga pinapagawa niyo, baka bagsak ka na. Tapos hindi ka pa rin pumasok, wala ka pa rin ginawa. Bagsak ka na talaga, uulit ka ng grade 4. Pero kung nakinig ka sa kanya sa klase mo, na pumasok ka, makakapasa ka, hindi ka na babalik ng grade 4, grade 5 ka na. Senior mo. Ano ibig sabihin dito sa story? Ibig sabihin, laging unahin yung mga importante bagay bago yung mga hindi man importante. Hindi ba? Ulit, ano nga yung moral lesson sa tututunan dito sa kwento na to? Nag-ipon ng pagkain para pag dumating yung bagyo, hindi siya sukubuto, meron siyang pagkain. Very good. Ngayon, ikaw sagutan mo sa'yo. Bigyan ko ng 5 minutes para masagutan mo to. Monkey.
The monkey and crocodile.
Once upon a time,
Once upon a time, a crocodile lived
a crocodile lived
in the river on the riverbank. The fox and the grapes. The fox and the grapes. One day, a hungry fox saw some
tasty.
tasty
Sabi masarap.
grapes hanging
High.
high
Ibig sabihin mataas.
high on the wind.
On a vine.
He really wanted to eat them. He jumped once too low. He tried again, still
Couldn't
reach. He jumped many times, but the grapes were too high.
Very good.
Tired and upset, the fox gave up. As he
Walk
walk
As he walked away,
he
said, he said,
as he walked away, he said,
those
those grapes are
probably
sour
anyway. Sour, ibig sabihin maasim. Ulit.
sour
Sour.
anyway.
Sabi dyan, those grapes are probably sour anyway.
He said this just to feel better.
So the lesson here is easy to say something is bad when we can't get it. So hindi niya pa nakukuha yung grapes. Sinasabi niya ng maasim yung grapes. Gets, diba? Hindihan mo. Ngayon, sasagutan mo yung mga questions na sinulat ko dito sa paper. Sulat ko sa paper. Pinrint ko, sasagutan mo siya, tapos checkan ko siya after 5 minutes. Pag natapos mo nang sagutin 1 to 5, lagay mo yung name mo, then sasagutan mo yan 1 to 5. Go. Oo nga, iba na yun. Ayun yung kahapon. Ito iba naman. So, hapon, di ba, sinagutan natin yung binasa mong story, then sinagutan natin yung mga questions, yung mga nangyari sa stories, tsaka yung mga moral lessons. Ngayon, manonood tayo ng video sa YouTube. Yung mapapanood natin video, sabihin mo sa akin yung in-explain ko sa'yo kahapon, yung characters, plot, settings, ano pa? Characters, plot, settings, tsaka yung mga problem and solutions. Ayan. Ito. Yung characters ay yung mga tauhan. Yung plot, doon nakapalag yung problem and solutions. Yung settings, kung saan ginanap yung stories. Panoorin mo mabuti, ha? Tatanungin kita.
Everybody knows that bears love honey. One day, Mr. Bear looks in his cupboard and he can't find any honey. Oh, no, no honey, he says. So he goes into the forest to find some. He sees a beehive in a tree. voice behind him. It's Mrs. Bear. You did it again, didn't you? She says. You lost your temper. Yes, he says as he cries and counts his bee stings. Here's the bee sting medicine, says Mrs. Bear. Also, we have honey in the cupboard. It's behind the flower. A hot temper always gets you into trouble.
So, yung moral lessons, dapat yung patient mo is malawak. Ibig sabihin ng pasensya mo. Tignan mo yung bear. Yung bear, maliit yung pasensya niya sa mga bees. So, nangyari, napasok siya sa gulo. Napasok siya sa isang trouble na dapat hindi naman. Pwede naman siyang makiusap or pag-usapan nila ng mga bee. Pero, mainit yung ulo niya agad. Kaya, nangyari, hinabol siya ng mga bees, kinagat siya kahit sa ang part ng katawan niya. So, moral lessons, a hot temper always gets you in trouble. So, dapat yung dapat yung pasensya mo, dapat habaan mo para hindi ka lagi na pupunta sa gulo or naiiwas ka sa mga away. So, sabihin mo sa akin kung saan ginanap, sino-sino yung tauhan sa kwento. Saan ginanap yung kwento? Sa
Honey.
yung honey, ayun yung kinukuha ng bear. Tapos, kasama niya doon is yung mga bees. Tama. Sino-sino yun? Yung bear, bees, tsaka yung yung wife niya, yung babae na bear. Tapos ginanap yung story sa forest. Sa forest, kung saan makikita yung mga animals. Yan, mga ulit. Sino-sino yung mga tauhan sa kwento?
Bears. Bees.
Yung bees. Tsaka yung asawa ng
Bears.
bear. Tama. Tapos ginanap yung kwento, yung setting niya is sa
Forest.
forest. Tama. Ngayon, next stories naman tayo.
Have a race. First, choose your character.
Sino ka dito?
Rolling.
Yun.
Sige. Race yan unahan.
Find the synonym for each word. On your mark, get set, go! Which word is a synonym for serenity?
Chaos.
Which word is a synonym for serenity?
Buster.
Which word is a synonym for serenity?
Tangkilik.
Tranquility.
Oh.
Which word is a synonym for
Ay, ito.
alliance?
Saan? Anong eto? Basahin mo.
Separapa.
Separation.
Separation.
Oh, mali.
Which word is a synonym for alliance?
Division.
Division. Oh, mali
Which
din.
word is a synonym for coalition?
Galing ah.
Which word is a synonym for
Boisterous. Oh, no.
Which word is a synonym for boisterous?
Wow, galing ah.
Which word is a synonym for adjourn?
Mali.
Word is a synonym.
Adjourn. Suspend.
And
Very good.
Which word is a synonym for
Thrifty.
15.
Oh, no,
which
hindi.
word is a synonym for which
Frugal.
word?
Frugal.
Which word is a synonym for hardship?
So now, gagawin natin is ipapractice natin yung handwritten mo kasi nakita ko kanina kung paano ka magsulat. Sobrang pangit at mali yung posture ng pagsulat mo. Sulat mo yung name mo. Dito, simula dyan. 3 copy ha. Tapos check ko. Dapat tama yung posture mo. Paano yung posture? Po. Yan.
Kita.
Yan. Tama. Sige, sulat. Wait. Di ba sa story na to, nabasa na natin to nung isang araw, yung grasshopper tsaka yung ants. Parang ganito lang din siya. Pero iba yung story niya. Pakinggan mo mabuti ha.
Sa mga araw, tinatamad na lumutang yung timakulong sa damuhan. Masigla, masaya, at laging gusto. Pagkukunin at umaawit sa kanyang sarili dahil masarap ang buhay. Habang ang mga nagkang ay nagtulungan ng mga tito at dinadala ito sa kanilang lungkong sipat. Isang araw, habang nagtatrabaho ang mga langga, isa sa kanila ay nahulog dahil sa pilit ng buhay ng buhay. Siya ay pagod na at masakta. Sa halip ng tulungan ng handa, hindi din lang siya nagpapakulong at pinitunan. Nagtanong ang langga. Noong ipakulong, ano nga bakit tulungan po ating kaibigan papunta sa akin, diba? Masasalamatan talaga kita ng gusto. Ngunit siya ay hindi pinansin ang ipakulong at nagpatuloy sa pagpapatugtog. Kaya buong lakas na, binuhat ng langga o isang tanong di paklo. siyang masisilungan mula sa iyo. At wala rin makakain. Pampara, pati na rin sa kanya, ay namamalita na niya. Walang mapabuhay ng pagkain.
Okay na. Ngayon, sa ginawa natin, binasa nating kwento kanina, gagawa ka ng summarizing text. So, papaigsiin mo yung binasa ko kanina, yung mga natandaan mo lang na nangyari o pangyayari o kung sino yung mga tauhan sa kwento kanina. Kanina, binasahan kita ng kwento, ayun yung gagawan mo ng summarizing. So, di ba, nung isang araw, pinaliwanag ko sa'yo yung summarizing text, yung may plot, settings, theme, characters, yun. So, isulat mo dito yun, papaigsiin mo siya. Yung kwento na binasa ko, yung mga natandaan mo lang. Bigyan ka ng 10 to 20 minutes, tapos na. Tapos next naman tayo sa isang kwento, nasagutan mo lang yung mga tanong doon, tapos na tayo. Sulat mo na. Sige, hindi kita titignan. Sulat ka dyan. Yung mga natandaan mo lang, sulat mo. Yung mga nileson natin ng buong sulat mo dyan. Yung mga kwento na binasa ko sa'yo.
Pinanood mo?
Mga pinanood ko. Gawan mo siya ng summarizing. Paano paiksiin yung kwento. Sige, start ka na. Sulat ko lang. Oh, sige, sulat mo.
Hopper.
Oo, yung grasshopper. Sige.
Hopper. Hammer.
Sige, sipin mo.
Bis.
Yan, very good. Grasshopper and the ants.
Okay.
Puko dito para hindi ka mahirapan. Yeah, very good. Yan. Galing ah.
Tapos na.
Tapos na agad yan. Ayan lang. Dagdagan mo pa yung kung saan ginanap. O ano nangyari. Sinulat mo lang characters. O, sige. Edcha. Edcha ka lang.
Forest.
Sige, sulat mo lahat ng naisip mo. Wala namang mali dyan. Lahat naman ng mga idea mo. Pag pinagsama-sama mo, mabubuo. Sige, sulat na.
Forest.
And then, very good. Bilis ah. Okay na yan. Tapos next, may nakaprint ako dito. Paper questions sasagutan mo. Pinrepair ko sa'yo ng mga pinag-aralan nating kabuuan. Sagutan mo dyan. In circles the correct answers. Read the questions before answering the correct answers. Sagutan mo lang yun. Mabilis mo yun. Basahin mo muna bago ka magsagot.
What is the main problem in the story? Kamasad mo na.
Sagutan mo.
Solution. Gimana?
5 questions lang. Okay na yan? Tapos na? Okay, so, oh, mali ito. Called main problem. Sabihin, main problem.
Settings.
Solution yon, the solution. Tama na tayo. What is the purpose of a summary? To state author's feelings. Very good. Naka 4 ka out of 5.